ASIC's recent wrapping of Woolworths over its misleading car insurance advertising has put the spotlight back onto direct sales tactics. Kate Fairley, CEO of Get Informed, thinks the case finally highlights shortcomings in many direct insurers' offerings and urges brokers to take advantage when dealing with consumer clients.
I think it's really positive, especially from a broker's perspective, because we've had a lot of media in the industry lately reporting fraud on the broker side of things, which is unfortunate. But it's reassuring for brokers to understand that ASIC really is out there protecting consumers from these direct insurance products. It's great that this has been done now, and it's up to brokers to actually leverage this example and get it out there to their customers and say, look, Woolworths has been caught out in this instance because of their advertising, and this isn't the only product you should be concerned about.
Fairley would also like to see legislation that would level the playing field between brokers and direct insurers, as well as ensure consumers are protected.
Consumers, they've got no idea what insurance means, or they don't know what to look for. As a broker, we know what they're missing out on, but it's about communicating that to the public. They think that we're just comparing apples with apples, especially when you've got websites like iSelect and Compare the Market coming out. They think that they're just comparing products which are all the same. I'd like to see the government bodies put forward regulation to bring that to the direct insurance market as well, so they have more of a responsibility to inform consumers that they might be missing out on product features which are hidden in the 40 to 50 page document. So whether that's an upfront checklist of things that need to be compared, that's still up for debate.
Great. Finally, Fairley urges brokers not to give up on domestic insurance, but to instead work to really pinpoint differences in policy detail that will really benefit their clients.
I think brokers have gotten into this trap where they think domestic insurance products are just wasting their time because they're being contacted day in, day out by consumers questioning a $50 to $100 price difference. They've been online and they've compared their home insurance product, and then they're calling their broker to say, why is this cheaper? But I think it's still important that they don't disregard domestic insurance, that they still have that information handy and they make sure they've got the relationship with their client and just pinpoint a couple of key issues which are relevant to them. So there's sporting exclusions on recreational sporting activities. If you know your client goes and plays golf on the weekend, just let him know that he's covered for that if he injures somebody in the process under his brokered policy wording. But if he went to a direct insurance company, that wouldn't be covered because there's a blanket exclusion on recreational sporting activity.
This is Hannah Temple reporting for Insurance Business Online.